What's up, Georgia lovers? DJ here, and we are happy to announce that we've added new designs to our merch. We have our anime character designs and clothing that has my popular phrase, "I'ma go ahead and give that a 5." To get our new merch, go to eatexploremore.com and click on merch, then click new arrivals, and you are there. Also, the link to our Cafe Press store is in the description. Hey guys, what's up? DJ and Summer here, and we're just doing a quick little update episode on the Mall of Georgia. We're here at the Mall of Georgia, and the last time we were here, they were remodeling the food court, and as you can see in the background, they finished remodeling. It looks really nice. It's modern. They have like little lounge areas with TVs and whatnot, so people can sit, watch TV while they enjoy their food. And they even got little high bar stool areas so they can sit up and, not have to sit at a traditional table, but sit up, look cool, I guess. So yeah, it looks really nice out here. Come on by, check out the newly improved Mall of Georgia food court. It's really busy. Probably one of the busiest malls here in Gwinnett County. Well, it is the busiest mall here in Gwinnett County. One of the biggest malls over here on the east side, and it's still really nice. Come on by, you're going to enjoy it. Please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. Comment, like, share, check out our merch, consider donating to our Patreon. You guys are awesome. Have a great day and enjoy Georgia Eat Explore More.
Bye. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.